However, it was announced on the company website on the 27th that singer Kyushi Hikawa, who is currently on a hiatus from his entertainment career, has become independent from Nagara Production. Hikawa posted on the company website Kyushi Hikawa will be independent from Nagara Production Co. Limited, with his been indebted to him for 24 years and will be starting a new activity. I would like to inform you that this is happened. He announced his independence. She expressed her regret, saying, "I cannot thank everyone of Nagara Production Co. Limited for giving me the opportunity to work, giving me guidance and supporting me since my debut when I did not know what was going on indicated. Thank you for watching.